Good morning, Bulldogs. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. You may be seated. Bulldogs, want to wish Dylan Jimenez, Emma Mendoza, and Kimberly Zuniga a very happy birthday. Hope you guys have a great day today celebrating your birthday. And remember, if you see them in the hallway or in your classroom, to wish them a happy birthday. Our Bulldog focus of the week is to be determined. Today I will work for my future. And in order to reach our goals, we must, one, make sure we have our right uniforms. Yesterday, we realized that our big gap right now, Bulldogs, is making sure that our shirts are tucked in. Please make sure your shirts are tucked in at every given point. Teachers, all students get reminded to tuck in their shirts first thing in the morning. After that, that should be a out of uniform deduction for untucked shirts. We can give them another reminder after recess, and I know the coaches always give them a reminder after PE, but we should not have to remind them at any other point of the day. So Bulldogs, make sure those shirts are tucked in. Third through fifth grade, we are working really hard on our annotations. In reading, we have to make sure we know what the passage is about, from doing our who and what, our thinking jobs, and then in fifth grade, especially looking up those unfamiliar words. And then in math class, making sure that we are annotating the question and the answer choices. And then in K1 and 2, we're really working on that capitalization and punctuation. Did you know that Thurgood Marshall was the first African American appointed to the Supreme Court as a justice or a judge? The Supreme Court is our highest court in the United States. It is where a lot of major decisions are made, and it is super important who the judges are that sit on the Supreme Court. And one thing that affects that is who is elected to be president, because they are the ones who appoint these judges. And so as you guys are gearing up for the 2020 election and seeing things on TV, hearing your parents or your family members talk about it, the president who is elected gets to appoint these, and Thurgood Marshall was appointed by Johnson. Couple of academic shout outs. Huge shout out to Caitlin Zapalak for becoming our next fourth grade Royal Reader this past weekend. Really working towards those goals at all times. Nice job, Caitlin. And then shout out to San Jose and Rice with Miss L for 100% of them passing their checkout at lesson 110. We're so excited to see your growth. Teachers, it is that time to update our STAR countdown. We have 4 days, yes, 4 days, until our 4th writing, 5th math and reading practice test, and then 15 days until our 3rd and 4th math and reading and 5th grade science practice test. Bulldogs, remember, this is your last practice before the real thing. Bulldogs, remember that you can earn lots of things. Teachers us frame every lesson with the countdown and what students can earn based on their growth. Remember, Bulldogs, if you just get 5 more questions right from your semester exam, you are going to be on the path to growth and on the path to succeeding and hitting your goal on STAR. Kindergarten, 1st and 2nd grade, we're working towards those 3s and 4s on our next end of module. Kindergarten, been so proud of you and the work that you've been doing in the hallway on your assessment. Good luck, and thank you to everyone who's been really respectful in the hallway while kindergarten can show all that they have learned. Remember, we are working towards our Wordmaster AR challenge, the 1st grade level in 1-2, and then the 1st grade level in 3-4-5. Who get to 100% Wordmasters will earn a pizza party, and then every grade level who gets to 100% will earn a kite party. Couple of announcements. Let's make sure we only have idea jackets in the building with our shirts tucked in. Our Black History program video went out during breakfast. Teachers, we can play that during breakfast. Bulldogs, remember to be on time so you don't miss it. Remember, if we see cell phones, we will take it. And so make sure we don't see your cell phones. Saturday school for 3rd, 4th, and 5th is happening this Saturday from 9 to 12. We do have buses. And Bulldogs, let's remember to pick up after ourselves. So if we see trash, let's grab it, even if it is not ours. Remember, Bulldogs, if you think like a winner, you'll act like a winner. You will be a winner. Let's have a great Tuesday, Bulldogs, and I'll see you around campus.